Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, today's video about new makeup release by Peanuts Holiday Bundle Set. This price is $210.1601 to dollar. Peanuts Holiday 12 Days of Advent Calendar. 12 days of Peanuts magic. Experience the joy of Christmas with treats that are as nourishing as Linus's blanket. Each product is richly pigmented and universally flattering, ensuring you shine like the star atop tea. Peanuts Holiday, and to all a good night set. Snuggle up with the Profusion X Peanuts A Good Night Set. Inspired by the lovable Snoopy and his whimsical dreams, this delightful duo is all about pampering your pet while you unwind after a day full of holiday cheer. Whether you're curling up with a classic Peanuts special or enjoying a cozy night in, this set is your ticket to lips as soft as a winter's snow. Peanuts Holiday Eyeliner's Eyeliner Pencil Set. Long-wearing and waterproof, ready for holiday cheer. These liners stay put through all your holiday festivities, from cookie decorating to snowy adventures. Matte and shimmer finish mix and match like Lucy and Snoopy. Whether you're going for classic elegance or a festive shimmer, this set has everything you need to express your holiday spirit. Peanuts Holiday Handheld Mirror. Celebrate this holiday season with the Profusion X Peanuts Handheld Mirror. Perfect for gifting or treating yourself. It's the ultimate accessory for all your beauty needs. Shine bright and reflect the joy. Peanuts Holiday Lights Chrome Topper Set. Get ready to dazzle this holiday season with the Profusion X Peanuts Holiday Lights Chrome Topper Set. Inspired by the joyful spirit of Peanuts, this charming set features creamy, smooth chrome topper that glide on effortlessly, perfect for creating festive looks that shine like holiday lights. Why you'll love this Peanuts magic! Peanuts Holiday Let It Blend Blending Sponge and Case Set. Unleash the holiday cheer in your makeup routine with the Profusion X Peanuts Let It Blend Sponge and Case Set. With our beloved beagle, Snoopy, by your side, every blend becomes a delightful moment, perfect for all your festive gatherings. Peanuts Holiday Merry and Bright Brush Set with Case. This holiday season, sprinkle some festive magic into your beauty routine with the Profusion X Peanuts Merry and Bright Face and Eye Brush Set. Inspired by our beloved Peanuts gang, this delightful brush set is here to make your makeup as cheerful as a Christmas carol. Join Snoopy, Woodstock, Lucy, and Shredder on a merry journey to holiday beauty. Peanuts Holiday Merry Christmas Charlie Brown Vanity Set. Join Charlie Brown, Snoopy, and the whole Peanuts gang for a festive beauty experience that's as delightful as a snowy Christmas morning. This vanity set is your ticket to creating looks that will shine brighter than the Christmas star. Holiday cheer in every product. Peanuts Style. Face and IPLETTS::O velvety smooth, blendable and buildable. Lip::O long-wearing, lightweight, and easy glide formula. Nourishing and non-sticky, sheer to medium coverage. Liner::O creamy, smooth, easy glide application. O long-wearing and waterproof. Lash::O handmade, foam ink. Lash::O thin, lightweight band to ensure comfort and flexibility. O reusable if properly cared for and cleaned, non-comedogenic, vitamin E infused, made with recyclable material. Peanuts Holiday Snoopy Snow Day Pressed Highlighter. Light up your look with the Profusion X Peanuts Snoopy Snow Day Pressed Highlighter. Infused with nourishing vitamin E, this delightful highlighter gives your skin a radiant shimmer that feels as warm as a holiday hug. With an adorable Snoopy embossing, it's the perfect way to celebrate the seas with a sprinkle of Peanuts joy. Peanuts Holiday Snoopy's Starlit Holiday 41 Shade Face and Eye Palette. Unleash your creativity this holiday season with the Profusion X Peanuts Snoopy's Starlit Holiday Palette. Packed with 41 dazzling shades for both eyes and face, this palette is perfect for crafting festive looks that sparkle and shine. Peanuts Holiday Sparkling with Joy 5PC Nail Polish Set and Nail Polish Remover. Deck your nails with cheer and sparkle with the Profusion X Peanuts Sparkling with Joy 5PC Nail Polish Set and Nail Polish Remover. Inspired by the beloved Peanuts gang, this festive collection is your ticket to fabulous holiday nails that shine brighter than a Christmas tree. Perfect for parties, cozy nights in, or a quick touch-up while watching your favorite Peanuts specials. Why your nails deserve a little Christmas magic. Peanuts Holiday, the joy of giving 7PC lip gloss set. This holiday season, unwrap the joy of giving with the Profusion X Peanuts the joy of giving 7PC lip gloss set. Inspired by the beloved Peanuts gang, this delightful collection brings a sprinkle of festive cheer. Whether you're gifting or treating yourself, these glosses are sure to spread smiles like Snoopy on a snow day. Peanuts Holiday Warm Wishes Nourishing Lip Oil Duo. Get cozy with Snoopy's holiday magic. Embrace the festive spirit with the Profusion X Peanuts Warm Wishes Nourishing Lip Oil Duo inspired by everyone's favorite beagle. This charming duo is the perfect way to pamper your lips while celebrating the joy of the season. If you liked today's video, subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon. Also, thank you for watching. Bye.